What's up, guys? It's your boy Djing, and today I've come out with another tutorial. And today I'm gonna show you how to start practicing DJing with only your laptop. Let's get started. There are a couple of software you can use to start practicing, and for me, I think the easiest software to start, the easiest software to start with is called Virtual DJ. And if you start Virtual DJ, it will make it easier and simpler for you to learn and to acquire skills quickly. So let me show you, and let me open up my Virtual DJ. For this one who doesn't know Virtual DJ, I have the software link down below. You can download it and install it on your laptop. For this one who doesn't know how to install it, I have a video how to install and crack it. I also have the link down below. So let me open my software and start the video. Yep. Yeah. Your software will not look like this. It will look like this. It will look like this. Nothing. And it will be complicated to some beginner DJs out there. So what you have to do, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to start it, how to use it, and how to master it, and how to play virtual DJ, how to become a best DJ using virtual DJ right here in my channel. Just click subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. So here, this virtual DJ has two sections. One, let me call it the mixing section, and have the browser section. So the browser section is where you find your songs. You can open up computer, you open up any folder, you just know where your songs are located. So for my sake, my songs are in this folder here. Wow. Yeah, you see my songs. I open here, my songs are displayed here. You will see here you have track title, artist, and remix, plus links and BPM. If you don't know BPM are called beats per minute, the number of beats per minute. So here I have 75, 90, 100. They are huge BPMs. So, but what I recommend to you beginner DJ, how to play songs of the similar BPM range. In case you can play songs of 90, you play it with a song of 90, 96 and 95. It won't sound awkward. But if you play a song of 70 and you play it with the 100 BPM song, look easily, it will be like disgusting. I don't even want to say, but let's come on to the mixer section. Here you have your deck one. Deck one is our left deck, and deck 2 is our right deck. Here you have a mixer section. Mixer section, you have mixer here. I have video here. You can click and you watch your videos. And scratch and master. Here is a master volume, edit volume, mix volume, and mic. Let me go to the mixer. So those things. Let me first show you how to use the mixer and how to play songs in both decks. I'll use a song of 90 BPM, this one here, and I will use another song of 96 BPM. No, this one is like, it's too huge. Let me use a song of let me see, 92. Fast way the beat. Just hold on a bit. You see some of my songs, they don't have BPM, but for your sake, if you open up your Virtual DJ and it will look like this, you open up your song and it will be like this, no BPM. How should I know BPM? What you have to do is just highlight all your songs. The easiest way to do it, highlight them. Yes, highlight them. Then you right click, you go on bunch, then you analyze them. After a couple of minutes, it will show you the original BPM of each song, and it will make it easier for you to learn how to play with any track. I'm gonna use this song here. I think it's in 100 and yeah, 4. That's 94. Sorry, 94. You see, they have a different BPM range. You have a different BPM range. Here we are going to first see the use of a sync button. You see here you have 90 BPM, have 94 BPM. If you place sync on the left deck, on the right deck where the BPM is 94, it will make it equal to another BPM, to another song on the left deck. So let me show you. Please think. You see now you have 90, 90, same BPM, 90, 90. But here on your, this is called a tempo fader. Have a right tempo fader and a left tempo fader. Here on your tempo fader you see negative. You see negative 4.3. That one comes, it show you like this song is bit, this one is bit higher. This song on the right deck is bit higher than this song on the left deck. If we synchronize them, it will kill some beats to make it equal to this one. Let us play both tracks and you see here some tracks they match collectively. Play this song. You see. But you hear the way it sounds. This one is sound a bit slower, and this one is on its normal pitch. Let me put this one on normal pitch and we think under this one. You see the difference. Yeah. Just go on this deck and you place think. If you place think on this deck, then let's play the song and you see. Yeah, this song is a bit faster. I see there's 4 plus and 44 plus 44 4 plus 4.4. That means it's 4. It's positive. Let me say positive. It has more beats. You have increased the beats. This beats range, the way it runs, the way. Yeah, and here it's on its no BPM. You see. Here the song is on its normal BPM, and when you mix two tracks, you have to count beats, and you have to find the one. One is here, and the one of this song, let me say, is here. So if you play this song plus this song, they won't match because you have not mixed them well. But if you play it and play this one here, they match because I've mixed it on 1-1. And another trick is here. If you play a song from this channel here and you want to mix it with the song in this channel here, you play here, both songs are playing. If you move this is called a cross fader. If you move it here, you only hear this track. If you move it all away from the right to the left to the right, you hear a song from this deck. And yeah, I think we've not talked about hot shoe. Yeah, let's talk about hot shoes. This hot shoe section, loop, it means you loop a song, it counts in beats. One, here you looped in 8 bp, 2 beats, 1 beat. If you play it will be 1 beat, 2 beat, 3 beat, 4 beat. Yeah, 1 beat, 4 beat, 2 beat, 4 beat, 5 beat, 8 beat, 16 beat, 32 beat, and 64. You find some software at the end at 32 beats. If you loop it to play those beats continuously, it will same apply to this deck. If you play them continuously,
the right words. There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Yeah. So here the song has repeated itself, and here we have these effects. On your first time on this software here, it will show effects like this. You won't see them in telepads. This it will show effect like this. So you have to press this one, then you change each and every effect you want. The law of backspin is to spin the song back. Then you place backspin, you spin it back. It will depend on the length you have put. Yeah, that's the way it does. And if echo, you know echo. Okay, if you play the song and you put echo here, that's the way it works. So we have even hot two section. Have our hot two sections. You know, you can label your track. Like there are some tracks you can label your colors, vocals, anyway you like, but to make the things rememberable, and you can't even forget to know where you label. Have to use this section here, the hot cue. You place this hot cue, that's what you want. You place it on another beat, or Q2, or Q3, or Q4, anywhere you want, as long as you're doing it perfectly. And it will apply to this one. If you have a question, comment it down below. That's it. Peace.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos.